Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to continue with one more problem which is based on property number 1 in definite integration. Let us start with problem number 2. Integral 2 to 5 root x upon under root 7 minus x plus under root x dx. In this case also, if you don't want to use the property, you can directly rationalize this function. Or else, we are going to use the property integral a to b f of x dx is integral of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Let us see how to do that. Consider the given integral I as under root x upon under root 7 minus x plus under root x dx. After that, we will consider this integral as equation number 1. In the next step, we will use the property. Property says integral 2 to 5 as it is. Wherever there is x present, replace it by lower limit plus upper limit minus x. Meaning, in the numerator, you can see x. I will replace it by 2 plus 5 and then subtract that x divided by under root of 7 minus, again we have x, for that we can write 2 plus 5 minus x plus we have again under root of x that can be written as 2 plus 5 minus x dx. As the property goes, integral a to b f of x dx can be written as integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now I will be equal to integral 2 to 5. We have 2 plus 5 that is 7 minus x upon under root. Here we have 2 plus 5 7 minus x, and giving minus sign to both the terms, this will give you 7 minus 7 plus x. Plus, further we have 2 plus 5 that is 7 minus x dx. On further solving, I is equal to integral 2 to 5 under root 7 minus x upon under root of 7 minus 7 will be cancelled. We have root x left plus under root 7 minus x dx. Now let us consider this as equation number 2. After this, the next step will be adding equation number 1 and 2. On adding the left hand side, we have I plus I, and on adding the right hand side, we will have the denominator same. As you can see, it is root x plus under root 7 minus x. Adding equation number 1 and 2. This will give you I plus I is equal to integral 2 to 5 root x upon under root 7 minus x plus root x dx. This is the RHS of equation number 1 plus integral 2 to 5. We have under root 7 minus x upon under root x plus under root 7 minus x dx. I plus I will give you 2i is equal to, now in both the integrals you can see they have same limits, therefore we can write it in a single integral. Also both the integrals have same denominator, that is under root 7 minus x plus under root x, therefore that can be also written in a collective way. And in the numerator, which will be added directly, that will give you under root x plus under root 7 minus x dx. Now this part will be cancelled. The remaining part will be 2i is equal to integral 2 to 5 dx. Now as we know, integration of dx is x within limits 2 to 5. This will give you 2i is equal to upper limit is 5 minus lower limit is 2. Therefore 2i is equal to 3. Therefore I will be equal to 3 upon 2. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.